Okay, so the next question is what kind of backend stack do we want to use? Now, I really want to get something that's going to be quick to set up because we should get Shopping List Plus Plus in users' hands as fast as possible. I'm pretty solid with Android, but it's been a really long time since I set up a server.
Well, maybe you don't need to set up a server. Have you ever heard of Firebase?
Well, I'm intrigued. I have heard of Firebase. It's like a fancy database, right?
Oh, it's fancy, all right.
Okay.
Seriously, Firebase is a collection of services, including a database, that can serve as a simple backend for your app.
Okay, so that sounds great, but is it easy to use with Android?
Very easy. It has an SDK for Android as well as iOS and JavaScript. With Firebase, you write a little client-side code, and then Firebase takes care of all the rest. Some authentication and access to data.
Well, I definitely like the idea of not setting up a bunch of server code, so I guess I could read up on Firebase a little bit and kind of prep the GitHub repository for the developer.
In the meantime, I'll poke around and set up an account so you and your developer can poke around with the SDK.
All right, that sounds great.
Follow me and let's get started with Firebase.